I have held on to the secret far too long. I'm going to open up the playbook and I'm going to release this little trade secret. When I'm installing cabinetry, I do not use tapered softwood shims that you get in a packet at the home center. I take a time every now and then and I just cut up some laminate. I'll cut up masonite. I'll cut up MDF, and I try to do it all at the same time. So all of these stackable shims are the same width and the same length. Normally like 2 inches by like 2.5. That seems to work well with me. And then I'll stack them up and cut them in the chop saw, and I'll just throw them in a shoebox and take that on the install with me. And the reason why I do that is because when you're done installing the kitchen cabinets or an entertainment center or what have you, if you install all of that using softwood shims, those softwood shims are going to crush, and at different rates depending on different weights that go into the cabinetry. And if they're all sinking at different rates, I mean crushed at different rates, then it's going to tear the cabinetry apart, and it's just not going to look as good as long. So these don't crush, they don't go anywhere. So, and I'll actually go as far as in my stack of shims, I'll screw them down to the floor, and that way, if you have to move a section of cabinetry a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, say, half an inch or so, then they're going to just stay at the same level. Now, if it was tapered shims, you're not going to do that too easily, and you get to start over, which I can't stand. My other trick is this deck of playing cards that you buy at the dollar store, and when you just need not a 16th of an inch, but a 64th or a 32nd, use your playing cards. That's what separates a good installer from the rest of these clowns.